cordial guarantor and colleagues. I ask for excuse for the time of participation. My work hours have been very extended. The questions I chose was number 4. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous lines of work to our department here? Sure, and education is all about making the customer or student feel comfortable and helping them grow. I feel that within a company like this it's the same philosophy, getting and customer comfortable with the product and helping grow as they advance in wherever the sport they happen to be participating in. Thank you.